Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix DeepL networking in browser. So actually guys, first you can refresh or reopen the browser. So you can choose whether you want to refresh as I told you or reopen it. Okay, so to refresh you will need to go and tap or click on the F5 key on your keyboard, or just go ahead with your mouse, navigate to the reload icon at the top left at a curved arrow. So just go ahead and click it, or you can just close the current tab and you open another one and just go with the DeepL.com. Okay, so if you're using multiple tabs, just close the extra double tabs. Okay, often solves minor glitches immediately as a result, right? And also guys, you really want to check your internet connection afterwards, so make sure that other websites load properly, so you can, for example, just go and open up fast.com, do the internet test, and also go ahead with YouTube, web, WhatsApp, extra, and check if the internet is working as well, okay, and it's functioning. And also restart your browser, why not, if the connection is unstable, and clear the browser cache and cookies. So just go ahead with your browser settings that you can find inside the three dots that's located at the top right corner. Go and click on the settings right here, then go ahead and privacy and security here, click on delete browsing data, the first option on privacy and security section, and then just go with delete data, the option that you can visualize at the bottom right corner of that pop-up menu. Okay, so just go ahead and click it. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.